You should prepare thoroughly before starting a business, but realize that things will almost certainly go awry. To run a successful business, you must adapt to change situation. Learning how to start your own business involves conducting in-depth market research on your field and the demographic of your potential clientele is an important part of crafting a business plan. In addition to selling your product or service, you need to build up your brand and get a following of people who are interested in what your business orders. Starting a business can be hard work, but if you break down the process of launching your new company into individual steps, you can make it easier. Rather than spinning your wheels and guessing where to start, you can follow the straight and true methods of entrepreneurs who have done it successfully. If you want to learn how to start your own business, follow this 10-step checklist to transform your business from a light bulb above your need real and tidy. How to start a business? Refine your idea. If you're thinking about starting a business, you likely already have an idea of what you want to sell online, or at least the market you want to enter. Do a quick search for exciting companies in your chosen industry. Learn what current brand leader and doing, and figure out how you can do it better. If you think your business can deliver something other companies done, or deliver the something only faster and cheaper, you've got a solid idea and ready to create a business plan. During the ideation phase, you need to iron out the major details. Write a business plan. Once you have your idea in place, you need to ask yourself a few important questions. What is the purpose of your business? Who are you selling to? What are your end goals? How will you finance your startup costs? This question can be answered in a well-written business plan. Fledgling business owners can make a lot of mistakes by rushing into things without pondering this aspect of the business. You need to define your target customer base. Who is going to buy your product or service? What will be the point if you can find evidence of demand for your idea? Conduct market research. Market research helps you understand your target customer, their needs, preference, and behavior, as well as your industry and competitor. Many small business professionals recommend gathering demographic information and conducting of a competitive analysis to better understand opportunities and limitations within your market. The best small business have differentiated product or service from the competition. This significantly impacts your competitive landscape and allows you to convey unique value to potential customers. A business plan helps you figure out where your company is going, how it will overcome any potential difficulties, and what you need to sustain it. When you're ready to put pen to paper, use a free template to help. Access your finance. Starting a business has a price, so you need to determine how you will cover those costs. Do you have the means you need to fund your startup, or will you need to borrow money? If you're planning to live your current job to focus on your business? Do you have savings to support yourself until you make a profit? Find out how much your startup cost will be. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea to overtime the amount startup capital you need, and it can take time before of business. One way you can determine how much money you need is to perform a break-even analysis. This is an essential element of financial planning helps business owners determine when their company, product or service will be profitable. Determine your illegal business structure. Before registering your company, you need to decide what kind of entity it is. Your business structure legally affects everything from how you file tax to your personal liability is if something goes wrong. Sole proprietorship. You can register for a sole proprietorship if you own the business independently and plan to be responsible for all debts and obligations. Beware that this route can directly affect your personal credit. Partnership. Alternatively, as its name implies, a business partnership means that two or more people are held personally liable as business owners. You don't have to go it alone if you can find a business partner with complementary skills to your own. It's usually a good idea to add someone into the mix to help your business flourish. Corporation. If you want to separate your personal liability from your company's liability, consider the pros and cons of corporation. Although each type of corporation is subject to different guidelines, this legal structure generally makes a business a separate entity from its owners. Therefore, corporation can own property, assume liability, pay tax, enter a contract, sue, and be sued like any other individual. Corporation, especially corporation, are especially sustainable for new business that plan on going public or seeking funding from venture capitalists in the near future. Set Managing Attorney at Jordan Consult Limited Liability Company. One of the most common structure for small business is the limited liability company. This hybrid structure has the legal protection of a corporation while allowing for the tax benefit of a partnership. Ultimately, it is up to you to determine which type of entity is best for your current needs and future business goals. It's important to learn about the various legal business structure available if you're struggling to make up your mind. Discussing the decision with a business or legal advisor is a great idea. Register with the government and IRS. You will need to acquire business licenses before you can legally operate your business. For example, you must register your business with federal, state, and local governments. There are several documents you must prepare before registering. Articles of incorporation and operating agreements to become become an officially recognized business entity. You must register with the government. Corporation need articles of incorporation document, which include your business name, business purpose, corporate structure, stock detail, and other information about your company. Similarly, some LLCs will need to create an operating agreement. Purchase an insurance policy. It might slip your mind as something you intend to get around to eventually, but purchasing the right insurance for your business is an important step to take before you officially launch. Dealing with incidents such as property damage, theft, or even a customer lawsuit can be costly, and you need to be sure that you're properly protected. Build your team. Unless you're planning to be your only employee, you'll need to recruit and hire a great team to get your company off the ground. Joy Jawodzki, General Partner of Aperiam Ventures, said entrepreneurs need to give the people element of their business the same attention they give their product. Just for your vendors, running a business can be overwhelming, and you and your team probably aren't going to be able to do it all on your own. Brand yourself and advertise before you start selling your product or service. You need to build up your brand and get a following of people who are ready to jump when you open your literal or figurative doors for business. Grow your business. Your launch and first sales are only the beginning of your task and as entrepreneur. To make a profit and stay afloat, you always need to be growing your business. That takes time and effort, but you'll get out of your business what you put into it.